Here are some strategies to effectively attract
new customers and foster long-lasting relationships with existing ones. Attracting new customers. Identify your target audience. Clearly define your ideal customer profile, including their demographics, interests, and pain points. Harness the power of social media. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to connect with potential customers. Leverage your existing network. Utilize your current customer base, partners, and industry connections to refer new customers. Encourage word-of-mouth marketing by providing exceptional service and highlighting customer testimonials. Optimize your online presence. Ensure your website is user-friendly, informative, and optimized for search engines. Build backlinks and citations to enhance your website's authority and visibility. Utilize email marketing. Collect email addresses from website visitors and potential customers. Send regular email newsletters with valuable content, special offers, and personalized promotions. Engage in public relations. Pitch stories to local publications or industry blogs to raise your brand awareness. Participate in industry events and conferences to network and establish thought leadership.
Explore partnerships and collaborations. Collaborate with complementary businesses to cross-promote products or services. This can expand your reach and attract new customers from outside your existing network.
Retaining existing customers. Prioritize exceptional customer service. Delight your customers with attentive, knowledgeable, and responsive service.
Resolve issues promptly and go the extra mile to exceed expectations. Personalized communication. Address customers by name. Tailor communications to their preferences and recognize their loyalty.
Regular feedback and surveys. Gather feedback through surveys or customer service interactions.
Use this feedback to identify areas for improvement and enhance customer satisfaction.
Rewarding loyalty programs. Implement a loyalty program to incentivize repeat purchases and long-term customer relationships. Offer exclusive rewards, discounts, or early access to new products.
Upselling and cross-selling opportunities. Identify complementary products or services that align with your customers' needs.
Offer personalized recommendations and promotions to boost their spending.
Embrace customer relationship management. Utilize CRM tools
to organize customer data, track interactions, and personalize marketing campaigns. This streamlines customer service and enhances relationship management. Gather and analyze customer data. Regularly collect and analyze customer data to identify trends, preferences,
and use this information to refine your marketing strategies and improve customer satisfaction. Continuously improve. Regularly evaluate your customer feedback, market trends, and competitor strategies to identify areas for improvement.
Embrace innovation and adapt to evolving customer needs.